The Tesla Model 2, anticipated in 2025, revolutionizes affordable electric vehicles. Compact design, perfect for urban environments without sacrificing interior comfort. Range, approximately 250 miles on a full charge, suitable for daily commutes. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6.5 seconds, efficient yet thrilling. Battery, advanced lithium-ion with rapid charging capability. Safety, equipped with 8 airbags and advanced collision avoidance systems. Price, starting at around $25,000, making electric cars more accessible. Interior, minimalist aesthetics with a large central touchscreen. Autonomous driving, supports Tesla's full self-driving suite. Connectivity, seamless integration with smartphones and over-the-air updates. Charging, compatible with Tesla Supercharger network for fast recharging. Eco-friendly, built with sustainable materials reducing environmental impact. Warranty, 8 years or 100,000 miles on battery and drive unit. Infotainment, state-of-the-art system including music streaming and navigation. Production, set to be manufactured at Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory. Tesla Model 2, the future of affordable electric driving.